Hey guys, my name's Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. For today's video, I want to share with you how I made some Christmas wall decor items. For my first project, I'm going to make a Grinch watercolor painting, and this is a free printable that I found, and I'll make sure to link this in the description box for you guys. And so I printed it out to the size that I needed, which is 4x6, and I'm going to flip it over and then shade the whole backside using a mechanical pencil. I'm going to place my watercolor paper on top of where we just shaded, and then I'm going to tape it down. Now flip the papers over and start outlining whatever you want to appear on your painting. Once you're done outlining, you can remove the printed paper off, and whatever details you outline should appear on your watercolor painting. And so now I'm just going to paint this in using my watercolors, and for me, I wanted this to look a bit like old, run down, and blotchy, just to make it look like I've had it for a couple of years. So I'm not going to be too neat with this. And when you're watercolor painting, make sure to let your paint dry a little bit before you go in with the new color right next to somewhere that you already painted. Otherwise, the colors might bleed into each other. I'm going in with a Sharpie to outline the presents and the Grinch. And that's pretty much it for this. You could put this in a nice frame, and I need to go get like a vintage frame for this. But yeah, we're done. For this next project, we're going to recreate this Snoopy Christmas picture out of air dry clay, and this is also a free printable, so I'll make sure to link this for you guys. Roll out your clay and then place the Snoopy picture on top, and I'm only going to trace out the outside of the picture and then Snoopy and the Christmas tree. Remove the paper, and then I'm fully going to cut out the outline of the picture, and I'm going to go in with my needle tool and deepen the Christmas tree outline and Snoopy. Roll out more clay and place your paper back on top, and this time trace out the bottom part of the picture, so like the snow part and like what would be the bottom trim of the window. I'm going to place the bottom part of the window on top of the clay that we had just cut out, and I'm going to attach these by scoring the clay. I'm blending this out with a little bit of water. Once again, roll out some more clay, and now I'm going to trace out the window frame. And then I'm going to place the frame on top of our picture. Make sure to blend everything out with some water. I'm taking tiny bits of clay and I'm placing them alongside the window to make it look like Christmas lights. The last thing I'm going to do is add 2 holes on top so that I can add some string in through later to hang this, and then I'm going to let this dry. Here is our Snoopy picture now that it's dry, and I'm going to go in and paint. I'm going to seal this using Deco Art's triple thick gloss glaze. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment and subscribe for more DIYs, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!